Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to a brand new Road to 3K iRating series. And today we're back on iRacing, where we try to get to the 3K iRating. And thank you guys for the major support on the last video. I really appreciate it. I check all the comments I like, so thank you so much for the support. It means a lot. And today we're back in our weekly series, but now we're not in the production car challenge, but we're back in the MX5 Cup. And why? It's because we're racing today at the Summit Point Raceway. I've raced here a lot. I had, I think, like 3 or 4 coaching sessions here. So I know the track very well, and I didn't really like the production car challenge circuit, so that's why I decided to just jump on the MX5 Cup again. It's really tricky because, as you can see, it has a really long straight, and yeah, with the MX5 that's like the slipstream heaven, so it's really hard to create a gap, try to drive away, but I'm really happy with my pace. It goes really well. I've practiced a lot. I feel good, so I'm really curious about how we can do. So without further ado, guys, let's jump straight to the qualifying and let's see how we can do there. Guys, if we look here to the standings on the top right, is that we see a lot of guys with similar iRating, which is good. So I assume we are somewhere around split 2 or maybe split 3, which is really nice. And this is actually the first time that I'm in a split where everyone's iRating is similar, because we had a lot of races in top split recently, and thereby there was a lot of difference in iRating, with some having double my iRating or even triple my iRating, which was crazy. And of course really helpful because you learn a lot. But now we have a test to compete against others with a similar iRating, so I'm really curious about how we will do. So yeah, let's jump into the first quali lap, guys. That's good. That's good too. Could be a bit faster there, but all good. Let's see, I think a 121 low. 121 to P4. Not too happy about that. Of course, still some guys crossing the line, but in practice I drove a lot of 127s and 128, so for now it's looking quite okay in P4, but I'm a bit disappointed because, yeah, with those times I was looking for front row. But it is what it is, guys, and there's of course a long straight. It's all about surviving as well in this sprint race, because, yeah, you want to stay out of trouble. So, yeah, I think we might lose some places since the quali is still running, but let's just see where we end up. Oh, okay, guys, for now I was looking for a P6, so we lost 2 places. We're exactly in the middle, so I'm not really happy with that. But yeah, let's focus and let's see, guys. Oh, that was my bad, actually.
I got this.
Oh, this is actually so good for us. Good avoiding there. I think I gotta attack because there's another car behind me. Ooh, great racing. Let's now try to work together with this guy and pull away, because we created a little gap.
What the fuck?
And they are fighting really hard behind, so. Driving away together would really help me. Just lifting slightly there so he understands I won't attack. And now let's try to follow him around because we're currently in the podium spot and having a gap of 1.1 seconds behind. So I just want to drive away with this guy, catch the guy ahead. I think that's the strat for this race. And not get any off track. Ooh, P1 making a mistake, lovely. The guy behind is 1.2 seconds behind. Oh. I wanted to bump draft him, but it was a bit stupid for me because we're already at the end of the straight, so it doesn't really matter. We're now 4.5 minutes in, all looking good for now. Ooh, let's attack here. Nice block here, okay. Lovely stuff. On to the next. No, don't do it, don't do it. Don't do it, we have to catch him up.
I got this.
Oh, you moron, you moron. He is so dumb because now these guys catch up to us.
I got this.
Fault. I have to send it now. Ah, this is so dumb from the Red Bull guy, man. So dumb from the Red Bull guy because now all these guys catched up and otherwise we could just go away and attack P1, but he just lacks that vision. And he is missing the corner as well. He's not driving that well, so we gotta watch out for him. But for now I'll let these guys fight and I'll stay back and see where it ends up. Oh, that was dumb. Yeah, that was my own mistake. Okay, we got a little bit of breathing space, but I'm not happy with a P5, so we have to work on that. Nice, great overtake. Okay, now let's try to catch up to these guys, because I got a feeling that they're going to battle really hard. Oh! Guy behind made a mistake. See you. Okay, we're cruising in P4 now with no one behind, so that's actually really good. We gotta push because the podium is still in here, 100%. They're gonna battle as well. That's what I told you about the guys with the slipstream. It's so insanely strong here. You can see the P1 getting a gap, but you can see it's already closed. Just because it's such a long straight. So it makes you really vulnerable. They are going to attack. I gotta be so cautious. These guys, I'm going to predict it, they're gonna take each other out. Ooh. That's what I mean as well. Okay. P3. Oh wow. P1 with an absolute center there. I don't like that net code on P1, he disappeared somehow. And I'm really cautious with the Red Bull driver because you can saw with his previous actions that he was sending it everywhere, taking a lot of risk. So we gotta watch out. Number one might feel the pressure now, which is good. Watch out, no mistakes. I'm a little bit too far behind to battle, but these guys are going to battle, so let's see. Have to take advantage of that. Ooh, okay. Having a front row seat for this battle. That's dirty. Oh, GG's. What? Yo. Woo! Oh, wow. That was intense. I feel like such a boomer now. I really enjoyed that race. It was really nice. Nice. Okay, guys, we got a P3. Like, P1 was maybe in it if I was a little bit more aggressive. But I think for now it was good. I made good decisions. I'm not really happy with my first lap. It was not really clean because you could see I made some mistakes. Thereby I lost a lot of pace. I pushed a lot. I put myself like in some gaps that were quite questionable. So let me know in the comments if you think it was fair or it was not. Yeah, let's look into the results. And I think we can look back at a really good race, guys. So that's really good. 55 iRating gained. Come on, guys. That's lovely. Love to see that. And yeah, I think it was a really good race. Like these races on Summit Point Raceway are so intense. Of course, like the 12 minutes racing in the Global Mazda Cup are always so tense, but especially on this track where you just can't break free and drive your laps, you're all the time into the action. I love it and I hate it at the same time. It's really cool, but yeah, I think guys at podium in second split is actually really cool. Hopefully soon we'll be able to compete here into top split. Who? Wait, we got 0 instant points, but we lost safety rating. I don't know if that's possible, but okay. Yeah, it was really clean, but hard racing, which I love. So yeah, let's try to continue on this because we keep on pushing towards that 3K iRating goal. We've made some really nice progress. Let's try to hit the 2.5K iRating into the next video. And yeah, for now, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, it means a lot. I really enjoy making YouTube videos. I really appreciate all the support. I read all the comments, all the likes. So thank you so much. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing because now you can see how many people are subscribed versus how many people are not subscribed. And it would help me a lot out as a small creator. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you guys in the next video next week because we're gonna upload every week still, keeping on the streak. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.